Every day, you are at war.
A molecular war. But lucky for you, your body is the world's most heavily guarded fortress. It's an absolutely beautiful way of keeping you alive. Your body's first defenders are your innate immune system. Your skin and mucus act like the castle walls, the first barrier that pathogens have to cross to get into your body. Your hydrochloric acid and bacteria in your stomach are like a moat, except worse. Phagocytes are like knights on patrol of the city, looking out for suspicious activity and literally eating pathogens and sticking parts of them on their membrane. These are called antigens and are what define a certain pathogen. Once your innate immune system is exhausted, your adaptive immune system consisting of your B and T cells kicks in. T and B cells are made in the bone marrow, but they have to mature or train before they can help out. T cells travel to the thymus to train while the B cells stay in the bone marrow. After training, the cells can successfully identify harmful from healthy. Each of your B cells is born with a different set of antibodies on its membrane, each which attach to a specific antigen. The job of the B cells is to float around until they bump into an antigen that corresponds to one of its antibodies. Once this happens, the cell starts to duplicate into two types of cells, plasma cells or memory cells. The memory cells go into sort of a hibernation mode to remember this pathogen for future attacks. The plasma cell make copies of that triggered antibody and release them into body. There, they can attach to pathogens and stop them from infecting cells. It also makes these pathogens targets for phagocytes and other white blood cells. Your T cells don't have antibodies on their membrane, so they can't directly be activated by a pathogen. Remember those cell-swallowing macrophages? Their job is to present the antigen on their membrane to the T cells to activate them. Once they are activated, they bring the big guns to the fight. Cytotoxic T cells help actually kill infected cells. Helper T cells help speed up the training of the B cells and coordinate the whole immune response. T cells play a vital role in the adaptive immune system and are what make it so strong. Whenever you're feeling down, remember that there are millions of cells fighting a war for you every single day. You have your skin, mucus, hydrochloric acid in your stomach, bone marrow, thymus, spleen. Then you have your phagocytes, your B's and T cells, and so much more. And they're all working to protect you, because you, my friend, are special.